lost it all. But now I see how you were there for me, and I can say I'm stronger, I'm wiser, I'm better, much better. When I look back over all you brought me through, I can see that you are the one I held on to, and I never would have made it. Oh, I never could have made it. Never could have made it without you. I would have lost it all. Oh, but now I see how you were there for me. I never would have made it. No, I never could have made it without you. I would have lost my mind a long time ago if it had not been for you. I'm stronger, I'm wiser, now I'm better, so much better. I made it through my storm and my test because you were there to carry me through my mess. I'm stronger, I'm wiser, I'm better, anybody better? I can stand here and tell you I made it. Anybody out there? You made it. I'm stronger, I'm wiser, I'm better, much better. I made it. Never would have made it. Never could have made it. I would have lost my mind. I would have gave up. But you were right there. You were right there. I never would have made it. Oh, never could have made it without you. Somebody just need to testify to somebody next to him. Tell him, I'm stronger, I'm wiser, I'm better, much better. When I look back over what he brought me through, I realize I made it because I had you to hold on to. Now I'm stronger, now I'm wiser, I'm better, so much better. I made it. Is there anybody in this house other than me that could declare you made it? Tell your neighbor, never would have made it. Tell them never could have made it. Oh, I wish I had some help here. I wish I had just 2 or 3 people that would just declare it. Never would have made it. Never could have made it. I just love to encourage myself. Sometimes I just look in the mirror and say, I'm stronger, I'm wise, I am better, so much better. When I look back never would have made it. I never could have made it without you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, good God Almighty, never would have made it. Never would have made it. Never could have made it. Never could have made it without you. Sing it one more time. All I need is just one more time. Everybody sing with me.